Today I'm going to show you how I make my cheesy broccoli and rice casserole. And once your rice is cooked, you can add your chopped broccoli. Whatever steam is left is going to help steam the broccoli. And then I'm just going to put the lid on it while I get the rest of our ingredients. To season, you can season with black pepper, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm going to give it a little mix. Then I'm going to add my cheddar cheese. And just make sure that you have your burner on a medium heat so that it can keep everything nice and warm. And then you're going to add your heavy whipping cream. And now you can just start filling it into your casserole. This is a really nice casserole to make. If your oven is not working, you can make this on your pan. You can see everything's cooked. We just want it to heat up in the oven. But if you leave it on your burner, you can just finish cooking it. And then you can cook your pankos on the side and then sprinkle them over the top. Now you can start adding your desired amount of cheddar cheese. And then you're going to start sprinkling your panko crumbs over the top. Perfect. Now you're going to place your casserole in the oven at 350 degrees and you're going to continue to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until everything is nice and melted and gooey.